In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import your email subscriber list to BeeHiiv. We'll walk through the process from the moment you open your BeeHiiv dashboard all the way to confirming the import, so you can start sending newsletters to your existing audience without any confusion. First, go ahead and open your BeeHiiv dashboard in your browser and log into your account. Once you're in, you'll be looking at the main overview of your publication. This is where you can see key stats and manage your content. But for now, we're going to focus on your audience settings. Look for the menu option labeled Audience. It's usually located in the left-hand sidebar. Click on Audience to open the section where BeeHiiv manages all of your readers and subscribers. This is the central place for anything related to your email list. Inside the Audience section, you'll see an option called Subscribers. Click on Subscribers. This will show you a list of all the people currently subscribed to your publication, along with any basic details you've collected. Next, we're going to bring in your existing list. On the subscribers page, find and click the button that says Import Subscribers. This tells BeeHiiv that you want to upload a list from an external source, such as a CSV export from your previous email service. You'll now be taken to the Import Subscribers area, and once again, you should see an option labeled Import Subscribers. Click this to start the actual import workflow. BeeHiiv will now prompt you to upload a file. On the next screen, you'll see a section where you can either click Choose File or drag and drop your file into the upload area. Use whichever method you prefer. Just make sure your subscriber list is in a supported format, typically a CSV file with at least an email column. After you click to choose a file, a window from your device will open. Navigate to the folder where you saved your subscriber list, select the correct file, and confirm your selection. You should now see the file name appear in BeeHiiv, indicating it's ready to be processed. When your file is selected, click on Next. This will move you to a confirmation step, where BeeHiiv prepares the import. Take a moment to double check that you've chosen the correct file. Then click on Confirm Subscribers Import. This is your final review step, letting BeeHiiv know you're happy to proceed with adding these contacts to your audience. Finally, click on Import. BeeHiiv will start processing your file and adding those subscribers to your list. Depending on the size of your file, this might take a little time. Once it's complete, your imported subscribers will appear under the subscriber